If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Snapchat, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to two-factor authentication. Scroll down and select two-factor authentication under the security section. Here, you will find options related to your current two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. If you want to reset it, first disable the current two-factor authentication by following the prompts. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your registered phone number or email. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can set up two-factor authentication again. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your preferred method, SMS or authentication app, and complete the setup process. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset and you can enjoy enhanced security for your Snapchat account.